Here's how to change the video size in Filmora. Two methods, depending on what you need. To scale just your clip without changing the whole project, select your clip on the timeline and go to Video, then Basic. Make sure the scale lock is enabled and drag the scale slider up or down to resize your video. Click Reset to bring it back to the original size at any time. To change the full project frame size and aspect ratio, go to File, then Project Settings. A window will open where you can change the aspect ratio and resolution. Choose from presets like 16:9 for widescreen, 9:16 for vertical Instagram or TikTok videos, or 1:1 for square format. The resolution will update automatically. Click OK and your project frame will change. If your clip does not fill the new frame, increase the scale in your clip settings until it fits perfectly. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials on step-by-click.